Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. So for this one we can use about long division. So in this situation, because s to the power of 3 is higher than this one, that's why we can use about long division in here. Now, so we have s to the power of 3, and this one that is about number 1. So we want to create about s to the power of 3, so we multiply by 1 over 2s. So 1 over 2s multiplied by this one, we have s to the power of 3. We don't have s square in here, that is about 0s square. This one with this one, we have negative 1 over 2s square. This one and this one, we have negative 1 over 2s. So we need to put about 0s, and now two equation we minus together. So this one minus this one, 0 minus negative 1 over 2, we have 1 over 2s square. This one minus negative 1 over 2s. Now because we have s square in here, so and we have 1 over 2, to create about 1 over 2, we need to multiply by 1 over 4. 1 over 4 with 2s square in here. We have 1 over 2s square. This one with this one, we have negative 1 over 4s. This one with negative number 1, we have negative 1 over 4. This one we have 0 in here. So we need to minus two equations. So this one cancel this one, 1 over 2 minus negative 1 over 4. Negative and negative, we have positive. And that is about 3 over 4s. This one with this one, we have positive 1 over 4. And now this one, that's about remainder. So we have this one, we can put like this. And this one we will put on numerator in here. Now we have the formula in here. The integration of s to the power of n ds, we have like this. So this one we have 1 over 2 s square over 2. This one we have 1 over 4s. And now we need to consider about this one. So in this situation, we can do about factorization. So negative s, that is about negative number 2s plus s. This one we can do about factorization by 2s. This one we have s minus number 1. So we can do another factorization by s minus number 1. And we have 2s plus 1 in here. Now we can use about partial fractions. So I will put a over 2s plus 1, b over s minus number 1. Later that we do common denominator. So this one, it is missing about s minus 1. So capital A multiplied by s minus 1. About this one, it is missing about 2s plus 1. So capital B multiplied by 2s plus 1. And now we put like this. Now we need to arrange based on the terms of s. So A multiplied by s, B multiplied by number 2. So we have A plus 2B. The next one, we have negative A plus B. Now we need to compare coefficient. About s, we have 3 over 4. So A plus 2B equals to 3 over 4. About the numbers, this one equals to 1 over 4. And now we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of A and B. So 8 equals to 1 over 12. B equals to 1 over 3. And now I will put A and B going here. And now we have the final answer. So I will put A equal to 1 over 12. B equals to 1 over 3. And now we have the final answer. Now we combine the answer in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. So this one we can simplify. This one we can simplify. That is the end. Thank you for watching.